let's get this done. My hair is staying like this. My allergies are killing me, but you know what? I have to go, so let's do a 5-minute face. Start off with is the Sonoma Naturals jojoba oil. I don't know how to say it. There you go. This is all stuff from my Project Pan. Again, my brand is now cruelty-free, but the stuff in my Project Pan is not. So I put a little bit on my hands and I literally just put it on my face. And since I'm just trying to get rid of my products, I don't have a normal moisturizer, so that's pretty much just a serum. And that's what I use as like my moisturizer as well. Make sure you put it on your lids. If you're like me, like I'm super, super duper dry. So I should be using a moisturizer, but the main reason for saying that is that I gotta get my lids. I always get like dry spots on my lids. Okay, so traditionally I would then go in and do my eyes and then I would do my whole face. But since we're doing this, I'm going to go in with the Tinted Moisturizer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I think my color is, yeah, it's beige. It's actually a pretty good match for me. And just for a point of reference, I'm normally like an NW25 in MAC concealers, like around that range. Yeah. And then I always go in with the Measurable Difference. I'm using the coconut one right now. I also have the rose water. And I just spray it on my dirty ass beauty blender. Instead of like wetting it or whatnot, I just spray that on. It's just easier for me. And then I just do a dollop of Daisy. And spread that ish on my face. So it's a tinted moisturizer. So what it does is kind of just gives you a little tint of moisture. But yeah, it's nothing like too crazy. It has SPF in it, which is one of the reasons why I like to use it in the summertime, because quite frankly, it's just too hot outside for like full face foundation. At least in my opinion it is. I live in New York and it's just been like brutal outside, which is crazy because I'm wearing long sleeves. But the truth is I'm going to work and I'm going to crank the AC because I don't want my guests to be uncomfortable, and I'm going to be freezing because I hate the cold. So it's like that weird middle ground for me where I never really know how to dress, what to do with my life, etc. Okay, so you want to make sure that like there's no lines, because sometimes that happens to me and I get some lines and my husband's like, you didn't blend your makeup right. And I'm like, oh, okay, well, thank you. You know, it's supposed to be 5-minute face, but I'm yapping so much for like already a few minutes into this video. Also, my allergies are so bad that I'm going to have to blow my nose like right now. Time in. After you blow your nose, you have to like retouch it up. Otherwise, it's just going to look crazy. And I blow my nose constantly at work and I don't retouch it up. So my clients probably think I'm crazy. I'm legit crazy. So then I'm going to go in with the concealer, and I'm not going to use anything separate on my eyes because this look is just about quick and easy. And I'm just going to use NW25, my concealer, with a smaller beauty blender. Again, I'm going to take that Measurable Difference. I'm going to spray that biatch. And then I'm just going to dip right into my concealer. I can do this because I'm not sharing this with anybody. But if I was, that'd be disgusting, and you'd want to just kind of scoop some of that out. And then I'm just going to put it on the top of my eyes to work as like a base. I like to do it between my eyes because it gets really like red there. And then sometimes I take it down my nose a little bit just to like pretend contour, but not really. Yeah. Guys, I have a video on like how to like make your nose look like it's not crooked without contouring. And a lot of people comment on it like, you didn't contour in this video. And I'm like, yeah, it says without contouring. So anyway, I will definitely link that. And then I also have a video on contouring my nose. That's super duper old, but I will link both of those. So if you guys want to see them, they're linked below. Then I like to take some setting powder. I'm using the MAC one. Again, you guys know, not cruelty free. I don't want to keep having to say it. You guys already know it's in my Project Pan. And I just set under my eyes with it. And I set in the middle. I set pretty much everywhere where I put concealer, because that shit gets creasy if you don't set it right. And it's getting all over my shirt, in case you guys were wondering. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the, you guessed it, Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Palette. And I'm just going to take any old brush, and I'm going to go in with the Mocha color. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. Just to make it seem like I'm not just like flat and one-dimensional. Like, you don't want to look like you're just flat and just matted out. You want to like give yourself some kind of like shadowing and stuff, because otherwise you just look like, what did you just do to your face? And then I'm going to go in with the praline, pecan praline, and I'm just going to put that on my actual lid. And then I'm going to go in with these satin sheets. Put that under my brow. And guys, that's it for eyeshadow. Like, we're not going cray cray manene on this one. If you feel like your eyeshadow is like a little droopy, just go back in with that concealer beauty blender or the brush, whatever you use, and just kind of clean it up. Concealer works as like an eraser, so that is it. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pencil, and this one is in deep brown. Okay, so what I'm going to do is brush my brows up, and then I'm just going to color in underneath. What is this? Oh, I think it's from the brush. Okay, and then I'm just going to color in underneath. Normally I'd like go balls to the wall and like do the upper part too, but when you're just doing something really quick, you don't want your eyebrows to look like, whoa, eyebrows. So that's where we're at right now. That's how they're staying. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the Gold Deposit by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to just take a brush, swirl it in here, swirl and whirl, and just get that on my cheeks. Again, we don't want to be one-dimensional. We want to look like humans. And it just kind of gives some life back into your face. I always put it on my nose. You don't want to forget about your nose, because you don't want your cheeks to be like popping and like the rest of your face be like. Okay, sometimes I do this. This is optional, but I like to go with the Studio Fix NC30. It's well loved. And I just kind of go in and just kind of clean up over here. Totally optional. Don't have to do this. Just kind of clean that a little bit, you know. And literally the final step, I don't have any more setting spray for my face, so this is what we're doing. I'm going to go in with the eyelash curler. I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to coat on that damn mascara. We're not doing any eyeliner, nothing like that. This is just a really quick, easy look when it's like just freaking brutally hot outside. And you could legitimately skip this step if you come in and get your eyelashes permed by me. I do lash lifts now. I also offer eyelash tinting. So if you have light eyelashes and you're like, I want them to look like they have mascara on them all the time, come in and get them tinted. I also do brow tinting. Same stitch. If you guys feel like you want them to look like they're colored in, even though they're not, and you just want it to last like 4 to 6 weeks, come on in and get it done. Schedule those appointments, peeps. I'll leave all my information down below. That's the face, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Sorry my hair is cray cray manene. I'll have to get to the salon and like actually do it, and then maybe I'll film the intro then, because I don't think this is really acceptable. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, it's not even moving, it's just stuck. This is just my hair, it's just stuck. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.